Mega love shoutout everyone! Ayan, mega love shoutout to my generous and handsome friend. Ayan. So, pinaka-handsome siya today guys because it's his birthday. Ayan, happy birthday Ace Calonia. Ayan, we've been friends for half our lives. Imagine, more than half our lives na tayong magkaibigan, but still we are friends. Ayan, I'm so happy and I'm so honored to be your friend. And I just wanted to thank you for everything. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for the support. Thank you for your kindness and your generosity sa time and everything. Alam na natin yun kung ano yung ating friendship. Ayan, yung level ng ating friendship. And I'm so thankful na you've trusted me as your friend. Ayan, so ano lang guys, nung college, since nga nag-trust siya sa akin, ayun, so kinorek ko yung exam niya on during our college times, ayun, kinorek ko na sabi ko, mali yung answer mo, pinalitan niya. Ayun, hindi siya na perfect kasi tama na sana yung answer niya, pero pinalitan niya pa rin. Dahil I say so. Ayan, so thank you so much Ace Calonia for our friendship. Ayan, so thank you so much for you're such a blessing to everyone. So on your birthday, I just wish you good health and good health for yourself, for your family, and yeah, and of course keep safe always, friend. Ayan, I will always be here for you. Just a one call away friend. Ayan, so thank you so much and happy 40th birthday, friend. Ayan, I miss you and I will see you soon. Ayan, I love you, friend. Bye. Happy birthday.
So, happy 40th birthday. As you level up with your age, always remember na mag-level up din ang rheumatism, ang gout, at ang high blood. Kaya always look for your health. May the Lord grant the desires of your heart. And may you have more birthdays to come. And cheers to 40 years. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ace! You are already blessed with everything. So our wish for you is that God may continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and so much blessings so that you may also continue to share your blessings with others.
Stay safe.
Enjoy your day.
Hi Ace, happy 18th birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Wish you good health and be a blessing to everyone. Continue to be a blessing to everyone. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hey bro, happy birthday. I just want you to know that I am super glad to have this super cool friend and super witty and funny and generous and super blessed. I just wish na lang na for you to have more birthdays to come with your family. And do enjoy your day and be pa-surprise. Oops.
Happy birthday! Welcome to the club. Nanasay muhang tanan, right? So, my wish is for you good health and ayaw pag high blood mas matakot sa kaibing. Enjoy your day and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Sir Ace. Good health and more blessings to you and to your family. Stay behaved po.
Happy birthday, Ace. Enjoy your day. And welcome to the life of 40s. And wish you and your family always the best of health, prosperity, more success. And thank you for being Ace. Thank you for being there always for us. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Ninong Ace. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. We love you. Take care. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Idol! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Daghang salamat sa imong pagkaikaw, hinapunta nga tagaan pagkaugatas ang kinabuhi o salamat kahit ganito kang blessing sa imong mga amigo, mga kaila, o sa imong pamilya. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Ace. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ace. Stay happy, stay healthy. More years to come, more abundance in your life, and stay fab. 40 is the new Pogi. Sorry we couldn't be there today, but happy birthday from Team Recalde.
Hi, Ace. Good morning. Today is September 28, 2020. I just want to extend my special and personal greetings on your 40th birthday. Happy and happy birthday. Enjoy the celebration and have a nice day. From Toronto, Canada. Regards to all. Bye.
Go! Happy birthday, sis! Michael!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Ace. Happy 40th birthday. God bless you more of good health and happiness. We thank the Lord for your life. You're such a blessing to everyone. Thank you for the friendship. Always take good care and enjoy your day. Always remember, sir, life begins at happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi, Kuya Ace. Happy 40th birthday. Hope you have many more blessings to come and more birthdays. Happy birthday!
Hello! Surprise! Greetings from the land of opportunity, beautiful people, maple syrup, great hockey, and brutally cold winter. Oh, did I really say that? Joke. I'm joking. Ace, happy birthday, my friend. Many happy returns of the day. I wish for you to live longer and hoping and praying for a great, happy, and healthy life. Stay well and safe. My warm regards to LB, my hugs to the kids, and again, happy birthday, Ace. See you soon here. We miss you and we love you. Take care, my friend. Bye for now. Hello. Hi, Ace.
Hello, Ace. We hope all is well. And we're sending you this little video to wish you a happy birthday and many more to come.
All the best. God bless. Bye. See you soon here.
Let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Ace. Yoo-hoo!
Hi Ace! Happy birthday! Today is the first day and for the rest of your life. May you have more life ahead of you and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong. Stay healthy always. Maura yun na akong ma-wish para sa imo ha. Good health para sa imo ug sa imong family. Thank you for being so generous. Kaya siguro gibless ka pag ayo ni Lord kay daghan kaayo mi nga imong ipautang. Gitabangan. Thank you kaayo. You're such a blessing sa family. Happy birthday and we love you. Go.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong! We wish you more success, more blessings, and good health always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong. Happy birthday. Sana all. Happy birthday, Kuya Dong! Happy birthday! Wish. Ikaw, mame. Wish o wish?
Ngayon kung ano si Mili, magtingog.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong. I wish you good health as always and stay safe po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong, bro. More blessings to come and to share. Happy birthday!
Life begins at 40. Happy birthday, Ace. Life starts now.
According to Eleanor Roosevelt, beautiful young people are accidents of nature, but beautiful old people are works of art. Since you are neither young nor old, I guess you are an accident of nature and a work of art. Stay beautiful. Happy birthday.
Ace.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Ace. God bless you.
Hi Dong! Another year older, and what another reason to celebrate? Is there any reason to celebrate? Yes, because now you've reached the age where life begins. So Dong, this is my wish, that whatever you seek, may you find. Whatever you wish, may it be fulfilled. So Dong, happy birthday. Enjoy your day despite this pandemic. And you know I cannot be with you today because of social distancing. I wish you always and your family have a good health, long life, and remember always that you are always in my heart. I love you, Dong, and I miss you. Bye!
Hi ba! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life. Cheers to 40 years.